How fireworks are made, the explosive art behind the night sky. Have you ever gazed at a fireworks show, mesmerized by the colors and shapes and thought, how does this magic even work? What if I told you those dazzling displays are born out of science, centuries-old tradition, and a lot of calculated risk? Today we'll uncover the explosive secrets of how fireworks are made, step by step. From their humble beginnings in ancient China to the precise chemistry of modern-day fireworks, we're diving into every detail. But stay till the end, because we'll reveal the risky final test that ensures every firework is ready to light up the night. Let's get started. Fireworks date back over 1,000 years to ancient China, where the discovery of gunpowder accidentally gave rise to the first firecrackers. These early fireworks were simple, made of bamboo stalks filled with explosive powder, and were used to scare away evil spirits. Fast forward to today and fireworks are a lot more sophisticated. At the heart of every firework is a shell. Inside this shell are several key components. 1. Fuel. This provides the energy for combustion. 2. Oxidizers. These supply the oxygen needed for the explosion. 3. Metallic salts. These are the secret to those vibrant colors. Here's a fun fact. The blue firework is the hardest to make. It's like the diva of fireworks. Scientists work for years to perfect that elusive blue hue. But how do these raw materials transform into the fireworks we see? Let's break it down. The first step is mixing the chemical compounds. Each ingredient is measured to the gram because even the tiniest mistake can lead to a dud, or worse, an unintended explosion. The stars are tiny pellets that contain the chemicals needed to create the colors and shapes. These stars are carefully pressed into molds and dried for days. But what makes those breathtaking patterns, the peonies, chrysanthemums, and crackling comets? It's all about how the stars are packed into the shell. The stars are arranged inside the shell in precise patterns. Engineers then add fuses, which determine the timing of the explosion. Finally, the entire shell is sealed, ready to be loaded into a mortar. When a firework is launched, a chain reaction begins. 1. The lift charge propels the shell into the sky. 2. The time fuse burns down, igniting the bursting charge. 3. The bursting charge sets off the stars, which explode into dazzling colors and patterns. Did you know fireworks even have sound effects built in? Those booms and crackles come from variations in the chemical mix. It's like a symphony in the sky. Before a firework is cleared for use, it's tested in controlled environments. These tests are risky, requiring experts to wear protective gear and follow strict safety protocols. It's high stakes, but the result is worth it. Fireworks aren't just explosions. They're a blend of art, science, and tradition. They bring people together, evoking awe and wonder. And if you're fascinated by how these creations come to life, you'll love our next video on something equally fascinating: how pencils are made. Trust me, it's more interesting than you'd think. Click the link on the screen to watch how pencils are made next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more stories about how the things we love are created. Until next time, keep your curiosity alive. Ever thought about how everyday things are made? Discover the secrets behind pencils now.